Everyone thinks the best-selling RV carports are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Adventure Sika Ground Anchors. The Adventure Sika Ground Anchors. Priced at $28.97, these heavy-duty anchors caught my attention with their robust spiral blade design. If you want to keep your RV carport securely in place during high winds, this is worth a serious look. These anchors feature a 2.16mm thick spiral blade that digs deep into the ground, making them great for clay or rocky layers. This means they hold much better than traditional stakes, preventing your setup from being uprooted. With over 400 units sold last month, it's clear that users are looking for reliable outdoor solutions. Here's why this matters for you. When the weather takes a turn, you need peace of mind knowing your carport won't blow away. Now, some people complained about the installation taking a bit of effort, especially in very hard soil. Here's the thing though, if you have a drill handy, it can make the process much smoother and quicker, so it's not a deal breaker for most folks who are familiar with outdoor setups. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with windy conditions and want a dependable anchoring solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something to use in soft, sandy areas where traditional stakes might work fine. For under $30, it gives you a solid value for a critical outdoor need. Now, if the installation aspect bothered you, the next product might take a completely different approach to keeping your setup stable. Product number 2, Molompky Canopy Weights. The Molompky Canopy Weights, available for $17.99. What really stood out to me was the heavy-duty zipper design that prevents sand leakage. If you want to keep your carport secure without worrying about sandbags spilling everywhere, this is a solid option. These weights can hold up to 140 pounds when filled, which is impressive and ensures that even during strong winds, your setup stays put. Each bag is designed to fit snugly around canopy legs, which means no more awkwardly balancing or stocking weights that could tip over. With 300 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many are seeking this kind of reliability for their outdoor events. Here's why this matters. If you often set up canopies for events or gatherings, you need something that won't fail you when the weather gets rough. However, a few users had issues with the zippers breaking after prolonged use. I'll be real with you, this can be a concern. But for most casual users, if you handle them with care, they should last a good while, making them a practical choice for typical outdoor activities. This is perfect for you if you host outdoor gatherings frequently and want peace of mind knowing your canopy will stay upright. Skip this if you need a more permanent solution for heavy-duty use. At this price point, it's a great investment for occasional users. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for really severe weather conditions. Product number 3, Fooner Trampoline Anchors. The third product is the Fooner Trampoline Anchors, priced at $49.99. This complete anchor kit comes with everything you need for a secure setup, which really caught my eye. If you want an all-inclusive solution to keep your RV awning or trampoline grounded, this is worth checking out. The kit includes heavy-duty screw-in stakes and ratchet straps, ensuring everything stays tight and secure even in stormy weather. The double-sided welded spiral design increases stability, while the rust-proof coating means you won't have to replace them anytime soon. Users have bought over 100 units in the last month, which shows that many people value this level of protection for their outdoor setups. Here's why this matters. If you live in an area prone to high winds, this kit provides that extra layer of security you can't overlook. On the downside, some reviews mention that the installation can be physically demanding due to the depth the stakes need to go. But here's the thing. If you are prepared for a bit of work, the payoff and durability is worth it, and that's a small price to pay for safety. This is perfect for you if you need something that stands strong against severe weather. Skip this if you're just looking for something lightweight or temporary. With its durability, it offers great value for your investment in outdoor safety. Now, if the weight of installation is a concern, the next product offers a more straightforward solution that might suit you better. Product number 4, Cartman Heavy Duty Poly Tarp. Let's talk about the Cartman Finish Size Heavy Duty Poly Tarp, retailing at $58.99. What caught my eye was its impressive thickness and durability. This tarp feels like it can take a beating. If your RV needs protection from the elements, this is definitely worth a look. This tarp is made from a thick 16mm material that's both UV resistant and waterproof, which means your belongings stay safe from harsh weather. The reinforced edges add to its longevity, making it less likely to rip or tear.
With over 50 units sold, it's clear that many have found this to be a dependable cover for their outdoor needs. Here's why this matters. When you invest in a cover for your RV, you want something that will last through the seasons, not just a couple of rainy days. However, I found some users frustrated with the tarp's weight, saying it can be cumbersome to handle. Here's the thing though, while it might be heavier, that added weight contributes to its sturdiness, so it's a trade-off worth considering for long-term protection. This is perfect for you if you need a durable cover that can withstand the test of time. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to transport. For the price, it offers fantastic value for serious protection. Alright, that was a reliable cover, but the final product might just be the ultimate solution for a heavy-duty carport replacement.
Product number 5, Vevor Carport Replacement Canopy Cover. We've got the Vevor Carport Replacement Canopy Cover, priced at $189.99. This one caught my attention with its sturdy construction and all-weather protection. If you're looking for a reliable replacement canopy for your carport, you should definitely consider this option. This cover is designed to fit standard frames perfectly, with no adjustments needed. Made from a strong 210G PE material, it provides excellent waterproof and UV protection, keeping your vehicle safe from rain and sun damage. With a floor area of 400 square feet, it's spacious enough for most RVs and equipment. Here's why this matters. When you need something to protect your valuable investments, a well-made cover like this one is essential. On the downside, some users noted that the setup could be tricky without additional help. But honestly, if you have someone to assist you, it can be a straightforward process, especially given the quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're serious about protecting your vehicle in all weather conditions. Skip this if you're looking for something temporary or very lightweight. For its durability and reliability, it's a great value for the peace of mind it offers. To wrap it all up, each of these products has its strengths, from the Adventure Seeker anchors to the Vevor Canopy cover, ensuring your RV is secure and protected against the elements.
The top 5 heavy-duty RV carports and accessories. From the reliable Adventure Seeker ground anchors to the sturdy Vevor canopy cover, each option has something unique to offer for your outdoor needs. Whether you're looking for stability, weight, or durability, there's something here for everyone. Whatever you choose, just make sure it fits your specific needs to keep your RV safe and sound.